Hello traders, the market's getting ready to end and it is Wednesday. And like I said, we're still moving here, so you're going to see things changing as we speak. But the Dow right now is up 3%, 3.8% on the NASDAQ, S&P 3.7%. Russell's up nicely at 4% and a big drop. I'm glad to see this. I'm glad to see we're back under 50 on the VIX. So everything's looking nice and bullish, and we said that we'd probably be seeing some bullish activity relatively soon. And here we are, the S&P, looking at the daily. You see a number of different lines here, and let's blow this up and really take a look. I did draw a second gold or orange line here, and let me show you how I came about that. Because I thought, man, why is that bouncing right there? And it wasn't bouncing off of anything in particular. So what I wanted to do is kind of, well, right here. There's this orange line. See, we have support there. Now it acts as resistance. Then we come down, we act as resistance right there. Let's blow this up. That's right here, resistance, or wait, yeah, I think it's that one, resistance. Then we come over, yep, and it acts as support. So the reason I drew this line in is because it makes sense about 4 different locations back here, and this being, I think, number 4 right there. So it's very nice. What I like about this move is this. We have what's called a bullish harami, and that shows a bullish bias to the upside here, and that's what we should expect to happen. I do like the MACD starting to roll over. What we do not have yet, oh, we do. Let me open this up. The histogram. If you look at the histogram, we have a dash on the upper side of that 0 line. See, right here, we're on the bottom part of the 0 line, but right here, it's barely poking its head over, right there. So that's a nice bullish thing to see, that the histogram has flipped over, and that just shows a crossover on the MACD taking place. Very nice to see right here. I'd want to see us get over that 0 line on the MACD. But we have a bullish harami. We also have kind of half the makings of a piercing pattern. Now, a piercing pattern is when you open lower than this close, and then you come up piercing the middle part of this red candlestick. So take the red candlestick, cut it in half. That's about halfway right there, come across. If we close higher than halfway of this, piercing pattern. So there's 2 things I like about this. One, it's a bullish harami, and 2, it kind of is a piercing pattern also. The reason I say kind of is because piercing patterns usually start lower than this guy's low, but this was pretty even. Technically speaking, these are very powerful formations, what I'm about to share with you. This is going to be new. You haven't heard of this, or chances are you have not. This is called tweezer bottom. A tweezer bottom. A tweezer bottom is when you have the same lows side by side. Nice down leg, the same lows. Highly bullish. So we have a lot of bullish sentiment right here, technically speaking. What else I like is there's a lot of support here. I don't know if we're going to make it to 800, gang. Now, let me tell you what I expect to happen. This is what I do not expect to happen. Last time I said that, it did exactly what I did not expect to happen. I do not expect to see us crash down tomorrow. I either see us heading upward, making a higher high, busting through this green line, and then challenging these moving day averages. I see that happening, or a sideways motion where we start chopping around a little bit here. And my guess would be we would chop inside here somewhere. I don't see us going down here. Now, nonetheless, before the end of the day, and we're ending really strong, by the way, I have added some strong bearish hedges on all my long positions. I did load up on some more longs, as I said I would, and but I'm hedged overnight just in case the worst were to happen. I will take my bearish hedges off in large part tomorrow if we start to head up. So anyway, if we get this in the big picture, and we get a leg heading up, that would be a nice step up. This could very well be our bottoms. right here, and we should only go up from here. Now, am I talking premature? Absolutely, because it hasn't happened yet. I need for it to happen. But how many videos here have you heard me say that chances are we should be looking for a bottom anytime? Now, see these red lines that I have drawn? Major areas, 800, 775, and then we better hold at 750. If we do an about face and start challenging these areas down here, here are key areas that I'm looking for. The only reason I loaded up some longs here was because we crossed the midpoint and we have a bullish harami and we're bouncing off of this line. But it would make me feel a little better if we were bouncing off of an 800 or bouncing off of a 775, and especially that one. I would like to see find a nice bottom right there and then rally north. So there you have it. Pay attention to tweezers. Tweezers, very powerful formation, and so you learn something new every day. So if you have not been spending time watching the videos at Free Trading Videos and all my colleagues, both Breakout and Matador, if you're not watching those on a daily basis, pre-market, post-market, and intraday, you're missing out. You are missing out. Be a part, learn, be a better trader. Be well-rounded, be founded in your education. Where else are you going to go to be able to peek over the shoulder of trading, of real traders giving you this sound trading advice? So anyway, there you have it. Wow, we are really bullish right now in the market's going straight up. Very nice to see. Let's see if this proves to have any steam to keep it going. Take care.